Hi guys, welcome to EJ. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to properly install our air drafting device on your paint booth. So this is how your air draft device is supposed to look once you have assembled it and put it together. Now, some of the features of this air draft device, it comes with Velcro to install on the window. You also have this metal frame, and you have the filter, as you see here. Now, make sure that when you put together your cover, that it is securely placed in every single corner, as you can see. Now, optional, you have your duct, air duct, and you also have your ventilation fan. Now, as we see here, the outward part of the drafting device, we have two venting holes. One is for your suction to hook up your duct and your suction fan. This one is optional, whether you want to hook another suction fan for more, airflow, you can use it for that. Now, you want to make sure that when you're installing your drafting device, that you really get a good seal around every corner. That way, you're providing the maximum amount of suction when installing your air draft device. Also, keep in mind that the drafting device is universal. So, depending on height of your booth and depending on size, you might need to provide some kind of box to sustain it, just to keep it well balanced. Now that we have installed our air drafting device, now we're going to attach our actual fan. And I want you to take notice that when installing the fan, that there's an arrow pointing that way. That is how you're going to install your duct. This is to air the vent out and take the air out. So make sure that this is always facing towards the outside. Now, once you have properly installed your air duct, there's some precautions that you need to be aware of. Now, if you're working in an indoor location, you have to make sure that the ventilation is being pointed out to fresh air or out to the street. That way you could avoid the polluted air that's coming out of the booth to contaminate the fresh air. If you are working in the outside, then you shouldn't have a problem. You make sure that all the air is being ventilated out to a proper area. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video informative and would like to know more information about our products, you can hit us up online at www.ejaee.com. Thank you.